welcome back to Your Tech Researcher. Today we'll be unboxing the RUIZI Dual Channel Wireless Microphone System, model MK-02. Here are some of the tech specs. This is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, as well as laptops and DSLR cameras. In the box, get this nice rugged case. Feels pretty hard. Nice quality. So inside you get an instruction manual. Get 2 earbuds. You get a single USB-C to USB-A charging cable, get a USB-C to auxiliary cable, a lightning to auxiliary cable, and then a couple 3.5 millimeter cables as well. You get 2 windshields for each transmitter. Finally, we're going to open up the receiver. So on the receiver, we have the power button, the connection to the transmitter indicator, battery indicator, and the mic on and off indicator. USB-C charging, got a nice clip. Here's for the external microphone, another external headset, and then volume, and then noise reduction buttons. Here are 2 transmitters. We've got a power button, connection indicator, the battery indicator, and then mic on and off. Again, USB-C charging, nice clip. Here's a auxiliary out. Here's the external microphone, and then here's the audio on and off. Opening up our cables. I really wish there was a USB to 3 USB-C outs. Otherwise you're charging the receiver and both transmitters individually with 1 cable, which will take a long time. Then different auxiliary cables, whether you're using TRS or TRRS standards. Then your USB-C to aux for your Android phones. Here's your lightning to auxiliary for your Apple devices. To power these things on, all you do is hold down the power button. You got the indicator lights coming on. Same thing with the transmitter. hit the power button. Should automatically pair to the receiver. Same thing here. Everything's on. So both transmitters are paired to the receiver. Now, when connecting to your Android or iOS devices, what you'll do is you'll take your receiver and here's the cord here. So you'll get the compatible auxiliary cable, plug it in for the input, just like that. And then you'll plug this end into your USB-C device. Same thing here with your iPhones or iPads that use the lightning port. Plug it in and then attach it, and then there you go. To attach the windshield, it's pretty simple. You have this little clamp here at the bottom. You just line it up with the transmitter. It clips right in. There you go. Now you got the little windshield to help with some of the noise. And take it off. Pops right off. That's it. That's how you attach the windshields. Now to compare the audio quality from the iPhone 13 mini and then using the RUIZI MK-02 wireless mic system. Okay, so this is me using the iPhone 13 mini internal microphone system, and now I'm going to transition to the RUIZI wireless microphone system. Now this is me using the RUIZI MK-02 wireless microphone system. To power these off, just hold down the power button. You can see the receiver is off, and now the transmitters are blinking because they've lost signal. Put everything away, it's pretty simple. And that's it for this unboxing.